In terms of who am I, if you don't already know me or I don't already know you, I am a legal director at Clarion and I specialise exclusively in court of protection costs, which is why I'm here today. I am also a director of the Professional Deputies Forum. I'm very proud to do that. And Clarion, if you are not familiar with us, we are a full-service law firm based in Leeds. So you might be able to tell from the northern twang that comes through every now and again. But we are a northern-based law firm, a full-service law firm, but we do have that specialist costs department. There are over 30 of us in the cost team at Clarion, with over 20 of us specialising in court protection costs. And we were ranked in Band 1 in Chambers for 4 years running now, in Legal 500 Tier 2. And we have that national reputation in relation to costs. So that's just a little bit about us if you are not already familiar with us. I just want to focus for a moment on time recording. This is fundamental to the good practice of court of protection cases. So you've got your file set up and we're then thinking about actually beginning the work on this case. You've got your agreement in place with the litigator and you are now starting to work on your file. Time capture is fundamental to getting paid properly. And you, as a test, should try and think about, if you were a client and you saw your time recording, would you challenge anything on there? Are there any gaping holes in your time recording that leave you open to scrutiny? Your time recording alone should be sufficient. So yes, you have a great file of papers alongside that. Yes, you've got great practices in that now to try and make sure that that file of papers is sufficient for the SCCO. But ideally, your time recording should be an adequate record of everything you've done, and your file of papers is almost a bit of a bonus. And I've mentioned the structure of a team quite a few times, but based on our experience, this is something that the SCCO seem to like. They do expect delegation on court of protection cases. You could be the best lawyer in the world, you could be the best deputy, but that doesn't mean that you should recover grade A hourly rates for all work that you do. They expect senior fee earner time to be quite limited.